Hi, I'm Alan Keegan from Tiger Trading, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on 2FA for your account. So we recommend everybody uses Two Factor Authentication. It makes your account significantly more secure. And all that means is you can use an app on your phone to get a temporary password that you have to enter, so you need a second device with that token to be able to sign in every time. And so if you go on to your basic view and you click up here on the hamburger menu, you'll see this option for Two Factor Authentication. Go ahead and click on, and that'll give you a step-by-step walkthrough of how to do this. But really what you just want to do is download Google Authenticator and then go to Add New, Scan Barcode, and you'll get your camera. And you line up your camera with the barcode here, and then the token's added to your phone. So every time you log in, you'll open your Google Authenticator app and you'll see a temporary 6-number passcode you have to enter to go in. So right now, for example, it's 432848. And then that'll be a part of your login process from now on and greatly improve the security of your account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions left, let us know. We'll make more videos to explain anything, and make sure to sign up for our free beta at tigertrading.com.